Welcome to our demonstration of the PaperCut MF application for Lexmark multifunction devices. This video covers user authentication, secure print release, account selection, and the basic copy of functions. To begin, we will log in to the user account. You can log in with a username and password, ID number, or via the card reader. When using a username and password, enter your username and press Next. Then enter your password and press Next to log in. For ID number authentication, enter your ID number and press Next to log in. Alternatively, swipe your card and you'll be logged in. From the device home screen, you can access print jobs by pressing Print Release. If you have print jobs ready for release, you will see a list of held jobs. By selecting a print job, PaperCut MF will display the job's details and allow you to print or cancel the job. You can also refresh the list and easily print all jobs. To use the copier, press Copy and you'll be taken to the account selection interface. Here, you can select a shared account, which is typically used for a cost centre or department. If you cannot find the account you're looking for, you can use the search feature. Select the account. PaperCut MF will confirm your access and show the account balance. Press Next and you will be taken to the device interface where you can access the copier functions. All printing and copying will be tracked and controlled by PaperCut MF. When you're finished, press Log Out from the device home screen. And that concludes our demonstration of the PaperCut MF application for Lexmark multifunction devices. For more information, be sure to check out our website at papercut.com/Lexmark.